Okay, today we're going to be making a really nice summer sangria. It's a great way to use up some of like the extra fruit that you might have hanging out in your fridge, and also just an awesome summer beverage. We are going to be using 2 bottles of red wine. You can use whatever you prefer. I will just say that Merlot is a little bit too dry, I feel like, for it. We added about a cup of some orange juice. I'm putting in some Cointreau and some Bourbon, but feel free to add whatever kind of, dark rum or brandy, things like that. I'm adding in a full sliced lemon, a full sliced orange, and then I just happen to have some apples and blackberries on hand, but you can use whatever berries you have. You can use peaches, really anything. I wouldn't suggest maybe using melon, but other than that, pretty much any fruit is great in there. If you have some fresh basil or some fresh mint, that tastes really good too. Then just give it a stir and put it in the fridge for a little while to kind of marinate. It tastes better later on. Enjoy!